we just brought this motor back. Well, this isn't really my motor, but now it's my motor. What we did is we just pulled that one out of the car. Steven showed up here about 10 minutes ago. We quickly pulled the axles out, folded down the spindles. He's pulling his header off so we can put this one back in, and then that car is going to head back to his house, and it's going to be basically made it so he can drive off the trailer when he gets home. But we got to do a little bit of things, which is the power steering lines and all that fun stuff, because I think he's got the V6 set up in this one. Was this a V6 car? Yeah. Yeah, so he needs the high pressure steering line off of the other car, which is just a 16 mil, so I'm going to go see if I can pull that off for him.
Yeah, that one, and there's two nuts. They're like little tiny baby bolts.
Now it's way too long.
No, it's not.
You sure?
That'll go right in.
Oh,
That's what she said.
can't do a video of what she said joke.
It's got forks and it lifts. It's a forklift.
It's got a bucket. Just the bucket's not as efficient.
So it's got a lot of LED lights.
Yeah, they work. Look.
Nope. Oh yeah, there you go.
And I left your chains on it too, Steven.
Chains.
To hold your motor mounts. We have to take all those down off for stock class.
Yeah, my training mount's actually fucked.
Well, you can change it.
Yeah.
I've never actually changed it. Get pretty nasty.
Hey, Ma, what's up?
Oh, it's his mom. Hey.
I'm just doing a motor swap right now. Can you call me in a bit? Yeah, no, I'm still not in jail yet.
So we got the motor in there. We just did a test fire. It runs. We got it all kind of just thrown back together. Now Steven's gonna have to go through this because like we just kind of did everything finger tight. Like for example,
just so I can drive it off the trailer.
Oh, look at that's his positive cables. We just did up his steering, power steering by finger tight. But in a period of what, 2 hours, you came here. We took a motor out, pulled the axles, put different axles in it because the axles that were in this car wouldn't go into the new one.
Yep.
And then we put this motor in here and had it running.
And a new rack.
Oh, and a whole new steering rack.
Show him that.
Yeah. So we believe the steering rack was changed out with something off Rock Auto, and it broke the housing. I can't twist it. It's got everything on it. Anyway, it broke the pressure line in the power steering rack. But what makes me think it's an aftermarket one is these tie rods are huge. The nuts, the greasable tie rods, that's not a Camry thing. That's an aftermarket feature. And they look so full of grease.
Feature. Good tie rods, shitty fucking
rack.
housing.
Yeah. So Steven's gonna head out, and that was a good job done for him. He got his motor back because when I did buy that other car, I only kind of rented the motor, but I bought the car. So he's gonna build this for stock class, and it looks like he's got a lot of cutting to do because we can't have this, can't have this, can't have this.
Or the tank protector.
Can't have any of this. But yeah, so we'll have to see this car. I think it's going to end up in Mount Forest. We'll have to see if we make it there or not. But Steven's right there. So this is how Steven's old car ended up. Stacked on top of the Mini Cooper, ready to go to scrap. But yeah, she's going to go get crushed. All the parts have been recycled. We have the steering rack all torn out of it again. And it's kind of a shame. Car was still straight, but unfortunately with how bad it was bent in the back and kind of our new rules here in Ontario, the car had nowhere that could be ran. Can't be ran. It can be ran full pro, but there wasn't enough of the car left to be ran full pro. I've never stacked a car and take it to scrap, so we're going to find out how well this works here probably tomorrow after work. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you guys back here later on Zach's Workshop.